Hello, I'm here with Jono. Hey Jono.
Yo. In the Miata.
In the Miata. Today, we're doing rice air filter. So far, we started. We've taken that panel out so you can get into the side. We're now going to start the car up, listen to what it sounds like, and then do the same again afterwards, and listen to what it sounds like again. Do you think we can disconnect these bits? If we just pull it out piece by piece.
Yeah. And then just put it down on the floor how it came out.
Okay, try and pull that from this. I'm gonna push as well.
There we go.
Okay.
Look at this. We're not pros at this, mate.
Hold on, wait.
Just trying to find
Thing down here, look.
There we go. That's what I restricted.
Okay. So that's kind of dirty. Hey. Come with me. There we go.
Going like a Montana, honey killers on the helmets, legacy, family, Macy, Pocket smoke, Danny, selling ball, ain't at the macho like Randy, the chopper go out to for granted, going like a Montana, hope the killers understand, I got broads in Atlanta, just to go clean the family, getting no licks in the family, Macy, like a panda.
Right,
Okay,
that should
ready?
pull out now.
It's a boy. Woo. Gross. Look at all this.
This is just genius right here.
That is an obscene amount of parts.
For a very little engine.
Look how much more room you've got now. I could live there. Like, you know, you could have your bed down here, washing, drying up there. You'd be sorted. Okay, so we've got a bit of a situation. In the standard airbox, we've got a hole here. That's the mass airflow thing. And this pipe does not come with such a hole. So we are taking the grommet, making our own hole, and it will work. We're currently going to set it all up in position so we know where we want the airflow meter. We just put it all inside the car. It's a bit of a squeeze, but it should work if we can get this grommet in properly. I'm going to put it here, there, and Jono's putting the resonator box back on that stock pipe, and then should all go back in the car nicely. We'll use one too many cable ties and should be problem solved.
I've been waking up late, I've been making up shit, I've been spilling my guts. I've been feeling so blessed, but stressed all day, so I'm living out my dreams.
Okay, this is what we've got now. We've got the stock section reassembled. We've got our new section put in there with this great bodge job right here. It fits. We just took it to the car and put the sensor in, and it actually fits. And because it's slightly oval shaped right now, it does fit really tight and holds on very well. So I'm actually pleased with that, even though it doesn't look the best. You won't actually see it. That will then be attached there, like that. It's looking quite cool right now. Like, it's a ridiculously chrome as it is. I'm enjoying it.
The jet engine.
Yeah, it's my own little jet engine. Right, this is our assembly now. Everything's there, everything's attached. We're gonna stick it in the car, make it so it doesn't wobble, and then we're gonna turn the car on and see if it splutters everywhere and doesn't like it, which is a possibility.
Loving bad guys, I've been seeking some thrills. I've been wanting one more, then I'm wanting like 4. I've been having some guilt. I've been feeling so blessed, but stressed all day for real. I'm living out my dreams like every night.
Are you ready? How bad can something go right now? It's just the air system.
Yeah.
It can't go that way, can it?
It could not start. Just let it idle. Other than that. What is that? Is that what it is?
It's just down here. I tightened it before.
Yeah. What's it normally sit at on tick over, revs wise?
When it's cold, it'll sit really high, like near 2.
Yeah,
And when it cools down,
that's what it's on.
When it warms up, sorry.
Tell the folks it's working.
It's working, guys.
What? Yeah.
Oh, you can hear it. You can hear that.
Right, switch off, mate.
Yes, I'm happy with that. That's good. You can definitely hear it, can't you? You know when it comes in.
Yeah. Cool.
Alright, we're going to pack away now, so thanks for watching. That is how you change an air filter mostly successfully.
Good job.
Yes.